Hello, this is Lady V, and thank you for visiting my channel and for joining me. This is a new channel, and we just started in January. I've been reading for a while, but YouTube is the best for us to reach out to whoever the believers are of this divination. We'll do pendulum and tarot divination. So thank you for your support, for your likes, for sharing, and especially for subscribing. Thank you very much. And I'm trying to grow this channel, and if you can help me with that, your support, I really appreciate everybody. So today's general reading is for Cancer. Cancers are from June 21st through July 22nd. Again, June 21st through July 22nd. I keep saying 29. Anyway, they're probably connected with the next zodiac, which is Leo. For cross watchers, let me share the traits and personality of Cancers. Cancers are into emotional. Their mother, probably very nurturing, that's what it means, nurturing, nourishing, clingy, shy, cautious, okay? Ruled by the moon, Cancers, so moon, usually into intuition and emotion. Cancer's ever-changing moods reflect the lunar cycles as they wax and wane. In astrology, the moon represents our emotions, I'd say that, instincts and reactions. And Cancerians have the sun in the moon's territory, ensuring their feelings are magnified. The crab is Cancer's zodiac symbol, depicting its tough outer personality, protecting and hiding the softer, more vulnerable inner person. So cross watchers, now you know, okay? So what we're gonna do today is we'll pull like the past, present, and future, and we have bonus at the end because I love you guys. So I'll do message from your person, what they're thinking about.